Hi, I'm Aaron from Uniden. I'm one of those guys who loves to look up when I hear an aircraft. Try to see, is it private, military, UFO? Who knows, right? Well, the HomePatrol 2 from Uniden has opened up new worlds in my scanner obsession. First, it's digital, which means I get simple access to digital public safety channels like police, fire and ambulance, as well as weather updates. All great stuff. But I also get aircraft and military channels, which is handy because there's a base nearby and cool ops stuff is always going on. If you're familiar with older scanners, you probably think you'll need a master's degree in programming, but you won't. Just enter your zip code or the city on the digital color touchscreen and you're good to go for all local channels. Plus it updates via Sentinel software and it's so easy to keep up with all the action. If you need more info about the Uniden HomePatrol 2, please visit our website at uniden.com.